In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your product listings using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This guide will take you through each step to edit your product variants, adjust pricing, and make sure your listings are perfect for your store. First, you need to visit wix.com and log into your account. This is where you'll gain access to all the tools you need to manage your website. A successful login takes you to your account dashboard, the central hub for all of your site's management functions. Once you're in, you'll want to locate and click on the Edit Site button. Clicking this takes you directly into the editor where you can make all necessary adjustments to your website's content and structure. It is your creative space to bring your store to life. Now that you're in the editor, look to your left and find the Pages and Menu option. This menu is your go-to for navigating the different areas of your website. Click on it and you will have a list of your existing pages at your fingertips. From there, select Store Pages. The store pages are crucial because they hold all your product and sales information. Next, click on Product Page where you can begin making direct edits to individual product details. To zoom in further on product management, click on Manage Products. This option opens up a new set of tools specifically for handling your store's inventory. Here, you're able to see all the products you have listed. Focus your attention next on the small icon that shows 3 dots. Clicking this will present several options. Specifically, choose Manage Variants. This is where you'll have the opportunity to view and edit each product variant to suit your needs. After that, click on Edit Product. This step allows you to get into the nitty-gritty details. Here you can select a specific product variant, such as a large t-shirt or a red hoodie that you want to adjust. When selected, adjust the pricing under the Price column to reflect the current desired value. This function enables you to not only set different prices for each variant, but also manage stock levels, SKUs, and associated images, offering broad flexibility in product presentations. Don't forget to click Save after making any changes to prevent loss of work. Saving stores your changes and keeps everything up to date. Then, as an essential final check, click on Preview. This lets you view your edits in action, ensuring everything looks and works as it should before you make it live. Finally, click on Publish to make the updates live on your site, ensuring all changes you've made are visible to your customers. After publishing, click Done to wrap up your session. Your store will now accurately reflect the latest product details, offering a seamless experience for your customers when selecting product variants. And there you have it. Your store is now perfectly fine-tuned to showcase each product variant just the way you want.